Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our second chapter in your social science, SAM 2, that is environmental pollution. Development is the right of human beings. It means wherever and in whatever field, if there is an opportunity of development, humans have the right to progress. That means whenever we are getting any opportunity to develop in any of the field, we had a right to progress. The Industrial Revolution and the scientific discoveries have opened up vast opportunities for technological advancements and developments. These developments have led to massive changes in human life. Technological advancements have empowered the creativity, which in turn simplified the process of production. Electricity, railways, telephone, vehicles, industries, electronic media are the important characters in the story of development. So all these plays an important role in the story of our development. An unlimited use of natural resources like water, air, and natural vegetation has become the cause of widespread pollution. So, excess use of water, air, and natural vegetation becomes a cause of pollution. It is necessary to make an effort to see and understand both pollution and development in different contexts since these two phenomena run parallel in the modern times. In the present times, land, water, air, noise, and space pollution has increased, and its adverse effects could be seen on human life and our environment. So, there in the present times, you can see land, water, air, and noise pollution have been increased. Okay, and this gives effects. This with the industries coming up on a large scale, various kinds of pollutants affecting the environment have increased. Among it, water, air, and land pollution are of the main types. These three are the most important elements for the sustenance of life on the earth. So, today we are going to study about water, air, and land pollution. Now, first, your topic is water pollution. Industries require water, and during the process of manufacturing, water becomes impure, polluted, which is drained into rivers, streams, or on the ground. So, industries require water for the process of manufacturing things and all. So, it becomes impure, water becomes impure, and polluted water is drained into rivers, streams, or on the ground. This chemical infested water pollutes the pure water of a river. Secondly, the water drained on open ground gradually percolates down and pollutes the underground water too. And this polluted water pollutes the underground water too. Growing urbanization is another reason behind widespread pollution. Dirty water from the gutters in urban areas is released into rivers and ponds, which add to the problem of water pollution. So, the dirty water is released and it mixes into rivers and ponds, and problem of water pollution is created. Today, even the rainwater gets polluted due to industrialization, and you can see the rainwater is also polluted due to industrialization. The smoke and gases released by the industries mix with the rainwater and pollute it. How the rainwater is polluted? You can understand from this line that the smoke and the gases released by the industries. Okay, the industries, they release the smoke and the gases, and it mixes with the rainwater and pollutes water. The dirty water released by industries and factories into rivers, streams, and ponds destroys aquatic life. So, the dirty water which is released from factories and industries, it destroys the aquatic life. Many times we see news about mass death of fish because of excessive pollution in water. So, due to this, fish, whale, shark, they all die. The sea water gets polluted due to oil drilling and oil spills. Water pollution causes various diseases like cholera, jaundice, vomiting, loose motion, etc. So, due to this water pollution, there can be various diseases also like cholera, jaundice, loose motion, vomitings, etc. That is why nowadays people have to carry their own water bottle filled with fresh and filtered water with them while traveling to office or to school, and because of that we carry water bottles with us. Many rivers have turned into gutters. This polluted river water is used for agriculture, and consequently pollutants enter into food grains, vegetables and fodder. This all things, they pollute the water, and because of that we get polluted food grains, vegetables and all.